Snowstorm. Tama's Tales. February 2011. Always got to have a little snow. In Texas, it seems these days. Got our yearly snowstorm. Oh, and there's the puppy, Sabian, getting in on the act. Sabian's first snow. Sabian! Sabian! Tama. Out in the snow, snacking. This is their midday snow treat, must admit. They were out pretty early this morning, excited about their snow day. Tama and Sabian from Tama's Tales. In the snow, February 2011. Happy Snow Day from Tama's Tales. Come on, girls. Let's go get some hot chocolate. Come on, babies. Come on.